off?
I gotta get off this.
Oh. Well, there you go.
I can take the side street, 675, it's over there. Like 675 looks really good. Why would 25 look like this? I just did that for hours. Open it on 675. Because they that big old wheel truck. Damn.
It's a little rough.
As long as it ever took to get to this exit. Walmart.
What you gonna do at Walmart?
Buy an umbrella. Probably some brakes and a trash can.
I got an umbrella in the trunk.
Some sunglasses. I need some sunglasses. And new dishes, some new spoons and forks. Never known that Walmart's the best, yo. You go in there, come out with all kind of stuff. Come out with some sponges, a shovel, musical instrument. You have a guitar. Like, why you got a guitar? A bicycle, some engine oil, some groceries. Wait, am I able to get to the exit?
What you mean extra right here?
Oh, I'm just saying. Look, a French toast. Hey, calm down, little buddy. Calm down, little buddy. I don't gotta bring out this one.
It's already broken.
On top.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure people want to get to Walmart. Damn it, the ice gonna keep it from Walmart. Where you going? He's crazy. I'm going to Walmart. I want to get a toaster. For what? I'm gonna get some toaster strudels while I'm there too. Like, it seems like you're making a reason to go to Walmart. No. I'm gonna get some dirt and a shovel.
Look at some fire logs.
Go get some fire logs, fireplace. Like, buying two things that match on purpose. Oh, I'm gonna go get some peanut butter and some jelly. Just us roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Full-time hero being stalked by a fire. And folks dressed up like Skippy Holes. Everybody.
Why you tell Richard Timmery died with a German?
That nigga like that ass. Yeah. Watch you. You need to talk. You need to protect your mama. You don't like that a little too much.
It's like, yeah, man.
That's what they say.
He still was a German in that.
That's what they say.
And like they couldn't get it out. It's like
You looking at her all the time. That's what they say.
Walmart open for real.
Why's Walmart open? You crazy? You don't need nothing but Walmart.
Walmart and Waffle House open.
Waffle House still. QT still.
You don't need to go to Walmart, do you?
Nah, I might need to go get me Atlanta Falcons jersey. Some measuring cups. Look at this truck in front of us. Slide now. See how he slid back into it? That's how you know you're a G, not a bitch. Some measuring cups, some pudding.
Some pudding.
Blender. This nigga sucks. What is he doing?
You in a truck.
I got one hand on my balls. Driving my mid text messages, looking up GPS, Google Maps. Just slide on every 2 seconds. Maybe driving. Not impressing me, Ford F1.
You didn't know that?
I mean, I don't have AT&T. That's how I'm getting.
I don't know anything.
Look at this douche. What is he doing?
I see him.
Yeah, people making it. See, that's what I'm saying. People be making a mole out of the ant here. You be seeing people on the news sliding, probably because they're dumbass. Just like when you see people getting wrapped around a pole on their motorcycle, it's probably because they're dumbass. Like, it ain't no reason for him to be sliding around like that. douche in him. It's the douche.
He going down stagecoach.
No. Stagecoach is a roller coaster. When I go down the road, stagecoach, when it's nice day outside, I can sing. I told you when it got flooded, that shit was crazy. I even took video footage of it somewhere. I think I put it on YouTube. That joint was like, when
Yeah, I know.
I crossed over and my water came like right up. I can hold my hand out the window and touch it. Well, I know that ain't saying that anymore. I'm wrong. Cadillac Escalade making his main way through. Alright, so we about to bust through Boulder Crest. I'm gonna keep on going straight and I'm gonna bust a right on Fairview. Go ahead and come back around, bust a right on Granite Road, and then boom, bust a right back on the West Road and a quick left onto Triple Crown. We'll be up in Belmont, you heard? Well, these big trucks is what's up.
You just called the truck sexy.
Yeah, this shit is sexy, y'all. Miller House.
It's Boulder Crest. What you gonna do?
We busting over Boulder Crest. Because even if we go that way to Boulder Crest, we still got to turn left onto West Winona, which goes up and down. Black and yellow, black and yellow.
Oh, so you going the way that you don't like to go?
Yes. Long way, but it's flat.
No, wait. It's not long. Well, to me, it's not.
Wait, what? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
What I'm talking about? I'm not
The
trying
one,
to rate.
I know. I'm talking about the way that I usually go when I go to Walmart. Coming from
No, you
Kroger's.
can't. There's no way.
Yes. You go.
Oh, coming from Kroger's?
Yeah.
Oh.
You gonna pull up right by the Walgreens.
You go in, you turn left.
Yeah.
You go down and turn left at the Texaco station.
Yeah.
That yellow gas station.
Yeah.
Amble Block Road. Which I didn't want to fool with Amble Block because I'm sure, like 100% sure that this street wasn't traveled. These people would probably be like, yo, I'm standing in the house. Look at this. Their whole yard is blanketed with snow. So I'm sure nobody came out of here. Every car is full. Covered with snow. I just don't want this douche to end up in an accident in front of me. Okay, we got some traction up ahead. Damn, yo. Whoever was posting that shit can't get us in 3D. Oh, I think I got some movies downloaded on Q, which is gonna be a good look. Maybe some sausage or some egg. Oh, right, that's fast. They got some rice and some ground beef. Now I gotta make some eggs. Black and yellow, black and yellow.
You gonna make me a burger?
You gonna make a burger?
Are you going to make me a burger?
It's not like something I make specialty, you know. I just put it on the George Foreman grill. It's not like something that, oh damn, yo. I remember this cat back in the day used to make the best burgers. It ain't none of that, yo. It's just put it on the George Foreman grill.